Lenovo announced the Mirage Solo, the first independent Daydream VR headset that would not require a smartphone to use, at CES earlier this year for a mid-2018 version. And now we have a price and release date for the device, courtesy of B&H, which has the headset available to pre-order for $399.99 for a release date of May 11. The Mirage Solo is based on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 835 VR platform, with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, a 5.5-inch LCD screen offering 1280 x 1440 pixels per eye and an estimated battery life of 7 hours. There is also a WorldSense tracking feature that says it allows users to walk through digital spaces, something new for Daydream VR. The May 11th date marks the launch of Mirage Solo just after Google I/O, which begins May 8th and ends May 10th. Temporal match? Or an indication that Google will have more news of Daydream VR and I/O this year? We will discover when I/O occurs in a couple of months.